Hi, it's Arthur with DNA Realty Group and welcome to 612 Lowell Street in Peabody. We're going to take a look inside. This house is absolutely stunning. It's an entertainer's dream with a big front yard and plenty of parking for your guests and a 2-car garage. As we come inside, you got the living room and the dining room that can sit plenty of people and is perfect for entertaining. There's also a first floor bedroom and an office as well as a bathroom on the first floor. Here's the kitchen. You got granite, you got stainless. You also have a newer roof. This place is for somebody who can use a ton of square footage because there's plenty of space. With the 3 bedrooms upstairs and additional living space downstairs in the basement. And here we are. This is really what makes this house special, the backyard. I mean, you got the privacy, yet you're so close to everything. Close to 95, close to restaurants, close to shops, close to amenities. And you got a nice patio to hang out in a beautiful backyard. But wait, there's more. Right over here, we got a great pool that's perfect for entertaining. In the summertime, you can hang out with your family, your guests, and all your friends will want to come over and hang out with you and take a dive in this pool. So check it out, and if you have questions, you can always find us on social media or check out our website, www.dna-realty.com.